Hey everyone, this is Wyatt Everard for Solar Energy World. I want to remind you to come check us out this weekend at the Bay Bridge Boat Show 2025, this year at Safe Harbor Narrows Point. New location right along Kent Narrows. It's going to be a fantastic show. The weather, which has not been great to start the show, is getting steadily better throughout this Saturday. Sunshine back on Sunday. Come check us out, learn how to save on those energy bills and help out our local environment on the Chesapeake Bay, which we all love as well. And if you're getting into a new boat, hey, what better time than now to also get some money back in your pocket with those solar savings on those power bills. So we'll see you this year at the Bay Bridge Boat Show. We look forward to seeing you there.